NAND logic is also an extension of the NOT logic. In the case of NAND logic, two or more normally closed contacts are connected in parallel to control the load. An excellent example is the dome light in an automobile, as mentioned earlier. Remember that the dome light is on if the control signal is off. An automobile has two or more doors that must be opened for the control signal to be off. To clarify, each NOT and every NOT signal off will de-energize the load. The circuit shown above is used to fill two interconnected tanks with a fluid. When the start button is pressed, coil M1 will energize and will remain energized, memory, until both tanks are filled. This circuit will cause both tanks to fill to a predetermined level because the float switch in tank 1 and the float switch in tank 2 must not open until the tanks are full. The stop button is included in case the operator sees a problem and needs to stop the filling operation.